Hey kids, welcome to the first day of the ABC Countdown. It's Airplane Day. How fun is that? Let's get started with our letters. X, D, A, T, P, B, Y, A, K, V, I, S, Z, O, J, K, E, M, G, A, H, F, W. Okay, great job. Next, we're going to be working on some nonsense words. So if you want to go ahead and turn the sound off, go for it. And I will give you a wave when it's time to turn it back on. Here we go. Madge, sub, hot. Zep, cav, Nas. Fill, wap, sod. Lob, din, kev. Locks, puck, sov. Dal, nud, cuff. Ral, sep, pog. Okay, awesome work. We're going to start doing a different kind of sight words. We're going to start putting sight words in sentences and reading those. So, follow along and we will read these together. If you think you're really good and you want to turn the sound off, go for it. I'll give you a wave when it's time to turn it back on. Put some over here. Mr. Dog said I could come. What could you do? What are your best? I know when we stop. How old is that kid? Okay, great job. We'll try some more tomorrow. Yesterday, we talked about the sound in words like good and book. Today, we're going to be talking about the oo sound. You can make oo a few different ways. The first way is with the same two letters as you make with. O. Oo words that use O to make oo are words like soon and zoo. Another way you can make the oo sound is with OU. Words that use OU to make oo are words like you and soup. The last way we're going to talk about today to make oo is with E and W. A few words that use EW to spell oo are words like new, grew, and few. All right, let's practice writing some of these words. First, we'll write words that use OO. The first word I want you to try to spell is soon. Soon. Here it is. Soon. Soon. All right. The next word is zoo. Zoo. Here it is. Z. Not often we get to use a Z, but there it is. Z and then oo with two O's. The next word we want to spell uses OU to make oo, and that word is you. 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 So ya with Y and then oo with O and U. Then let's try to spell soup. Soup. So our first sound is S. Then we have oo with O and U, and then P is our last sound. Soup. Okay. Our next type of word uses E and W. The first word I want you to spell is new. New. All right. Ooh, with EW. After new, let's try to spell grew. Grew. If you need to say that word out loud to yourself, grew, it can help you figure out what sounds are in that word and find the letters. Grew. So we have g, ooh. Perfect. The last word we're going to spell today is few. Few. This one is a little confusing. It sounds like there should be a Y between the F and the EW, but it's spelled F-E-W. Few. Okay, let's practice some sentences. The first sentence is, you eat new soup. You eat new soup. Let's take a look. You, Y-O-U, eat, you've seen that word before, new, using E-W to make oo, and soup, also using O-U, just like you. All right, next sentence. We grew at the zoo. We grew at the zoo. We grew at the zoo. Great. We grew, there's a oo with EW again, at the zoo. Zoo using OO to make oo. Our last sentence is, I see the moon soon. I see the moon soon. If we look at the sentence, we see that both moon and soon use OO to make oo. These are the problems we'll be working on today. Today in math, we'll be talking about comparing numbers. That means whether they are bigger or smaller. When you compare numbers, if there are only ones, it's pretty easy. Let's look at these numbers. 3 and 7. Which number is bigger? Well, 7. If you're not sure, you can think of it this way. Let's say we were talking about cookies or slices of pizza. If you had 3 slices, would you feel better than if you had 7 slices? Personally, I like cookies and pizza, so I would prefer 7. 7 is bigger than 3. When you have numbers that have tens and ones, it gets a little trickier. If you're going to compare numbers that have both tens and ones, you need to start by looking at the tens. Let's look at these two numbers. The first number is 45. The second number is 27. Which number is bigger? So you might be tempted to look at that 7 and think it's bigger than the 5. It is, but we need to look at the tens first. So, which has more tens, 45 or 27? 45 has 4 tens, and 27 only has 2. Let's try some examples. 47 and 25. Let's start with the tens. 47 has 4 tens, and 25 only has 2 tens. So 47 is the bigger number. What about 85 and 72. 85 has 8 tens, and 72 has 7 tens. 8 is bigger than 7, so 85 is the bigger number. Let's look at another one. 34 and 27. 7 is bigger than 4, but those are in the ones column. So let's look at the tens. 34 has 3 tens. 27 has 2 tens. 3 is bigger than 2, so 34 is bigger than 27. Let's look at another one. 48 and 52. Let's go to the tens. 48 has 4 tens, and 52 has 5. So 52 is bigger than 48. It might be confusing because 48 ends in an 8, which is bigger than 2, the number that 52 ends in, but since we looked at the tens, we know we have the right answer. 52 is bigger than 48. Our next problem asks which is bigger, 75 or 67. Let's start with the tens. 75 has 7 tens, and 67 only has 6. If they were pizza slices, I would rather have 7 tens worth of pizza slices than 6, so we know 75 is bigger than 67. In our last problem, we're looking at the numbers 45 and 38. Starting with the tens, we see a 4 in the tens column of 45 and a 3 in the tens column of 38. So which one is bigger? 45. It has 4 tens instead of 3. Awesome job. We'll see you next time.